everyone, so I am now thinking I'm going to add some trypophobia elements to this look. Should be nice and simple, but just to give it a bit of a creepy twist, perfect for Halloween if you want to go glam but also freak a lot of people out. Hopefully it should be nice and simple, so you should be able to do this even with makeup that you have at home, such as nude liquid lipsticks. They could also work for the shading. So I'm really sorry, here's your warning. If you are petrified or have a phobia of small holes all clustered together, please don't watch this video. But yeah, I've still got one set of gels on and one not. If you want to add a creepy twist to your Halloween look with minimal effort and you want to throw a bit of blood in there, feel free to throw some blood in. This could be the look for you.
So using an eyeliner brush or a really small paintbrush, I'm just going in with brown body paint and just creating random circles grouped together. Next, I'm using the same brush and I'm adding a little bit of black body paint, and then I'm just going to feather that out with a slightly larger paintbrush just to create a little bit more of a gradient to the colour. Once I've done all the holes, I'm just going to go in with some white body paint and highlight around the edge of the holes. I'm using the same detail brush again. I think this one's from Kryolan, but you can also use just a paintbrush as long as it's small enough. Once I've highlighted all the holes and I'm happy with how everything's looking, I'm just going to go in with some contour powder, or you can use a brown eyeshadow, and I'm just shading around the outside of the holes just to give them the illusion of being slightly raised on the skin. And then we're done!